Welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on the £300 VW Bora. I bought it with a cracked sump, so I've got a new sump arrived. This was around £21. I put a link in the description off eBay. Free shipping, brand new. Comes with some sealant and the sump plug with the washer, the squash washer. So I've got the car jacked up on axle stands. And as you can see, it's quite oily under there. This has been leaking quite badly. It actually looks like it's been changed at some point before. See the black sealant. So there's 20 of these bolts. They're 10mm or 5mm Allen on the inside. Got to remove the sensor. I'll take that off once we get the sump off. If you can see, it's cracked on that side. That's where it's been dripping. So, and on this side, where the gearbox is, there should be 3 16mm bolts. So that one, and that one. So some of these 10mm bolts are up there for them, which are quite tricky to get. So I've got a long reach ball end Allen wrench to hopefully get them out. But we'll see how we go. Looks like I've got a bit of a leak around the gearbox there. So the first job, I'm going to drop the oil. It's actually leaking now, as you can see. Yeah, we're going to drop the oil, take the oil filter out, let it drain out fully, get this sump off, prise it off, clean the mating surfaces, and then it should be a case of putting some sealant on. These don't come with gaskets. We have to put some high temperature sealant, torque it up to spec, let it dry for a little while, and then fill it up with oil, and hopefully we'll stop the leak, and then we can take it for a drive. So as you can see, car's on axle stands, got it on the inner chassis bars. Also got that jack there just for a bit more support. Wheels are on, so we should be nice and safe. So hopefully these all come off okay. Okay, so let's get this oil out. It's actually pretty clean oil, because when I bought it, it had no oil in it. And, I had to put some fresh oil in, so just to hear it running. And that washer is destroyed. So what I think somebody's done with this is they've changed the oil, not replaced the washer, and completely, not a lot of oil in there, completely destroyed it. The state of that. Yeah, that's virtually empty. So I reckon what I'll do, let that trickle out. I'll undo the cap just to make sure it ain't locked up, but it has been leaking. I did it about a week ago when I filled it up, so let's probably try and get itself out. Let's see it will cap off. Yeah, it doesn't make a difference. Right, I'll get a oil filter wrench and get rid of that oil filter. Okay, so start getting some of these 10mm bolts off. Yeah, this has definitely been replaced at some point. I'm just going to work my way around to get these 10mm bolts off. So I'm just going around taking all these 10mm bolts off now. It definitely looks like it's been replaced. There's loads of muck around the around these bolts, some silicone sealant. Yeah, they're wedged in there. So I'm just going to work my way around, get all these 10mm off, and I'll go for them gearbox ones as well. And then it's going to take a bit of prying to get this sump off, to break the seal. Let's try not to make a mess. So, a quick lesson for anybody who wants to fit a sump and use sealant. As you can see by the previous attempt, somebody went a bit overzealous with it. Bits break off, get inside the engine, and you've got all that stuff floating about. Hopefully. Sealant's on. I'm going to ease this back up, line it up, and I'll put a couple of the bolts in just to sort of press it in, and I'll go around doing all the bolts up, being careful to get a nice even seal all around the sump. Right, so it's a couple of days later and it's all fitted. I thought I'd run it for a little bit just to make sure there's no leaks on it, but yeah, she's bone dry. No leaks under there. You can see that it's all in. So, I don't know why you can see that, but it's all bone dry under there, all fitted. Job done, really easy to fit. While I'm at it, I thought I'd show you around the car. I've got the engine cover off at the minute. Just been checking levels and things like that, but she's running good. Gave it a run the other night. At first it was quite sluggish, but good blast down the road and it felt good. I've got these wheels on it. 18-inch wheels I got off a park car, a Mark 4 Golf GTI 1.8 turbo with these 18-inch rims on that was ready to be scrapped, so I nabbed the wheels, a few other parts. Got a few parts I took off the Golf to sell and a few bits for this. So there's plenty of parts in there, more stuff in my shed. Some new sun visors because these ones are a bit manky. Also had another set of leather seats, these are better than the ones that were in it originally. And I got this GTI steering wheel, easy to fit. That was much better than the previous one. Got a Pioneer head unit. I've got this like anniversary GTI gear gator. So yeah, it's all coming together and she's running good. So I will do a proper test drive of this. I just had an hour insurance on it and took it for a quick spin, but yeah, I will do a full review. I've had to put the rear view mirror was missing. It had some cheap aftermarket one that was glued on, so I've got a proper VW Bora one. So you've got to glue this metal plate on first, so I've got to let this set for a couple of days, and then the mirror spins on and clips on. So yeah, nice easy fix, no more oil leaks. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Keep an eye out for more videos. If you're doing a Golf or a Bora up yourself or want some tips and advice on things, I'll be doing plenty of videos on this, how-tos, things like that. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you all very soon. And that is one clean steering wheel. So yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.